Amid escalating tensions and direct drone and missile attacks from Iran, the IDF recently released exclusive footage of the F-35I Adir jets returning to Nevatim Airbase. These advanced fighter jets had just successfully intercepted multiple hostile incursions aimed at Israeli territory. According to IDF spokesperson Brigadier General Daniel Hagari, we intercepted 99% of the threats directed towards Israeli territory. That's right, 99%. This remarkable feat counters approximately 170 unmanned aerial vehicles launched by Iran, with 0 penetrations into Israeli territory. That's a huge victory for Israel's defense capabilities. But that's not all. These F-35I fighters, alongside F-15I jets, not only repelled airborne attacks but also took part in preemptive strikes against military installations tied to the Hezbollah terrorist organization in the Qiyam and Kafr Kila regions in Lebanon. The F-35I Adir variant is specially tailored for the Israeli Air Force. It incorporates advanced, Israeli-developed systems to enhance its performance and meet the unique operational needs of the region. These aircraft were first delivered to Israel as military aid back in June 2016. Looking ahead, Israel plans to acquire a fleet of 50 F-35I aircraft by 2024, with the potential for an additional 25 fifth-generation fighters in the future. These stealth jets play a crucial role in Israel's defense strategy, ensuring the nation can respond effectively to evolving security challenges and maintain air superiority in the region.